It's your girl Rae, aka RaeeUfSunshinee, and welcome back to my channel.
My name is Susan and you are listening to Sunshine Beats.
And while you're at it, don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe. Hey guys, what's up? It's your girl Rae, aka RaeeUfSunshinee, and welcome back to my channel. For today's video, I will be doing an unboxing and I will be trying a skunk patch slash stripe on a wig unit I got sent by our friends over at YOLOVA Hair. So this box, the packaging is like really cute. I like the whole like UFO alienistic iridescent vibe that we receive from the box. So this box off rip is a vibe. Their packaging is like a 10 out of 10. I'm not gonna front, you guys. This box was like high-key kind of hard to open, but it's okay because I know that my hair was nice and safe and sound in the box. Once I opened up the box, the hair itself was in the cute handbag. In the bag, it came a wig cap, some eyelashes I probably won't use, and a tweezer. This hair is a 24-inch loose deep wig. As you guys can see, it comes with 4 combs in it, 2 on the side, 1 on the top, and 1 on the bottom. It comes with lace on the front, and it comes with a small thin lace on the back of the neck if that's what you're into. This hair also came pre-plucked, which is amazing because I hate plucking the hairline myself. I always find that I overly pluck and then it's just a hot mess. So what you see me doing right now is I am going to start the process of my skunk patch. I don't want a skunk stripe because I feel like the stripe is just a small area and I want the majority of the front of the lace frontal to be a color. The color in which I chose to pick was a gray. I didn't really think this through before buying the hair color, but that's alright because we all make mistakes. Before I get into that, I'm going to bleach the knots. I'm not going to spend too much time on camera doing my knots. If you guys are interested, I do have an upload and I will have it linked in the iCard. What you see me doing here is just applying the mixture I mixed in my mixing bowl. This is just the hair bleach. I did this process twice and I only stopped at 2 because I did not want to mess up the hair in any way, shape, or form. I was afraid that if I went over doing it a couple of times that I was going to lose majority of the hair, but thankfully that did not happen. If you by happen to get bleach on the other part of the hair that you do not intend on having it on, you can just grab like a Clorox wipe or like a wet paper towel and just go over that. I only have myself doing this process one time on camera because I didn't think it made sense to record myself twice doing this. So this is just how it looks. Here is how the hair looks after I applied the bleach twice. From this instant, I should have known that the gray was not going to stay on the hair because the hair isn't a 613 hair. Usually if you use like really bright colors or really dark colors on hair, the only way it's going to like be its true color is if it's like a 613 or like a really light kind of hair color. So as you see, I applied the gray on it. I actually mixed the both of the grays just to see how it would look, and it gave me this nasty brown, almost looking black color. And from this instant, I knew, I was just like, yeah, this is not the color I wanted to go for. This is not it. But I just felt the need to continue applying the hair color because at this point in time there was no return. So halfway through it, I thought of the idea of grabbing my red hair dye after I rinsed out the gray and go over it with the red dye. Alright, you guys, so things did not go as planned. The gray came out as like a dark, nasty brown. I just grabbed the rest of the red hair I had from the last time I dyed my wig orange, red, and pink. And I just went ahead and I just added that color. So I'm about to rinse it out. It looks okay so far. I'm to go rinse this out and then we'll see how it's looking. But this, hopefully this goes as expected because the gray, it was not a vibe. Alright, you guys, so it's now the next day and here is how my wig is looking right now. She's cute, she's really a vibe. I kind of regret, I'm not gonna say regret because I don't live life with regrets. I kind of wish I kept this part of the hair black just because it made the hair isn't as soft as it is over here because I did do a whole bunch to the hair at the top. If you guys are interested in how I install this wig, stick tuned on my channel because this will most likely be my next upload. If you have any questions about anything I did here, please drop that in the comments down below. Thanks for watching. I'll see you in the next one.
My name is Susan and you are listening to Sunshine Beats.